Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Brawl Stars game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Brawl Stars game on your device, and if you play the game for the first time, you will first be asked to complete a basic training and tutorial level. Once you complete both of these levels, you will gain access to the main menu, from which, if you wish to change the username that you have already set at the starting of the game, simply tap on your profile at the top left corner. You will now see your username, which you can tap on, and you will be told that you will get to change your name for free only once. You can simply tap on the free button and you will be allowed to enter your new name. Just type in your desired new name and then tap on the continue button, and you will be asked to enter your new name in order to confirm it as well. After typing it once again, tap on confirm, and now your name will be changed successfully. However, after this first free name change, you will need to spend some currency and you will need to wait at least 3 days in order to change your name once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on the Brawl Stars game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.